Angelis. Court call State of Texas versus Roberto Cibrian. This is cause number 2024 CC 7375004. Let me say that again. Be sure. 2024 CC 737504. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application, and we are live streaming the proceedings on YouTube, so it is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in Bexar County, the jail court, and specifically for this case is County Court at Law number 2. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Andrea Mitchell for the state.
Jorge Canales for defense.
Sir, are you the same Roberto Cibrian who is charged by information with Class B misdemeanor theft? Is that you, sir?
Sir.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents, sir. First one is called the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. Actually, before we go much further, state, do we have discovery on Mr. Cibrian's case?
Yes, Your Honor. All discovery has been sent.
Mr. Canales?
That is correct, Your Honor. I received all discovery.
Thank you very much. All right, so we're back to talking about the consent to plea by video conference. It's the document I have up on the screen. And Mr. Cibrian, I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this your electronic signature?
Sir.
I signed this, you're telling me two things. One, you understand normally we do pleas live in an open court, but that you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, sir.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all the other electronic signatures on the packet in front of me today, you're telling me those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. Sir, I'm scrolling down to another document. It's called the Court's Admonishments. It's a 2-page document. Are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
On page two, electronic signature. Use my cursor, circle that. Is that your signature, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good. Stop share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Right you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments. I make them a part of the record. And state, can you give me the plea bargain, please?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 86 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Sir, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Canales, is that your understanding as well?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
And sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, Your Honor.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trial as if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual or rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
Yes, I do.
You believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes, he has.
You believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
I believe he is.
Sir, the offense is listed on your information. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
You understand that you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea.
Yes, sir.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
Yes, sir.
Couldn't hear you.
No, sir.
Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir.
I find that the plea is freely, intelligently, voluntarily made, and that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find you guilty, sir. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Judge.
Being no legal reason, in accordance with the agreement of the state, sir, sentence you to 86 days in the Barrett County Jail. We'll give you credit for time served. There's $0 fine and court costs. The time and the money will run concurrent. This is judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a plea bargain case. I followed the plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. Making a certification of this for the record, will provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you or the attorneys. Is there anything else from either side?
Nothing further from the state.
No, Your Honor.
All right, the matter is concluded. Thank you, sir, and I'm turning off you.